Hey, I show you salute. Today, welcome up for Boy Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see him. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Tottenham Hotspur 2 and Chelsea 0. And we get Oga Hope, we be like, Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Chelsea fan, make tell us about and see this game. Oga Hope. You know, say when the match there normally banter, they banter Chelsea. Some country people can talk say Chelsea spent 700 million. They score one goal and for about 10 match or so. They never win one match. Now how you see all this talk? Why Chelsea know they fit dey score goal to you?
I go first of all laugh because listen, it don't come up from play
Yes.
because we dey see and so.
They say you get the way person go dey shake you. You get the way the hand go move. You go come up from shaking enter wrestling match. This one not dey turn to wrestling match.
You don't even say instead of wrestling go bring fight, I don't tell you say make rain fall. Now the rain will fall now. I be this one. Instead of Chelsea and Tottenham go fight, or we will be fans when they watch the ball go they fight for ya. Make rain separate the weather for us so that the fight go end. As it stands now, Chelsea is no longer a team based on say the money we spend where people don't they talk. Everybody don't they see and say yes, we really spend such huge amount of money. Now the money, can we invest it in the pitch of play? The answer is no. Now, who be the coach where they that particular place where they coach the Chelsea team? Where spend how many million? Now he spend the million or now he talk the players where you go buy. They don't buy the players, they don't give them. Now, what be the problem of the coach? Me, where be fans, I no go fit talk. Now, as a Chelsea fan, and also as a Chelsea coach, when they the pitch with the players, what be the formation when he say they play? I no go fit tell you because there is no formation. Chelsea cannot trap ball. Chelsea cannot make move for the players to open to collect pass. You know they. Everybody just dey hide for back of players. If you get ball, make your move. Make the other person make move. Open, make it pass ball. No way. And the coach when they there will spend the 700 something million. What would they talk about? Waiting be your own injunction for the players. Which players where you don't summon? Which players where you don't shout in them for the pitch of play? My friend, you people are not doing the things I ask you people to do. What is happening? Oh yeah, you like this. No way. So what do you expect the players to do? Until we get a standard coach, when he be say no waiting those players what? And know the kind of pattern of football when you want play. That is the only time you go see say the 700 or the 600 or how many million one are they called now? Go fit get weight for those players and what they go fit they do.
So, but I want to ask you now, as a Chelsea fan, yeah, what do you dey expect this season? Because now the way we dey see Chelsea, be like say everything done dabaru. Make we just totally come on mind this season. Say Chelsea go finish from between 10 to 15. I mean, make people still get hope. Make other Chelsea fans see they get hope. Say maybe the team will still wake up, they will still climb, go around that kind 7 or enter Europa League place. You think say any hope for this season still there? Be everything done dabaru.
Mama, you don't ask me this question before. And I don't want to see answer you the same thing again. Based on the pattern where Chelsea they play, I think that if Chelsea continue with this present coach, who will end up in 15th position. Now look at now, just goal difference within Chelsea and Aston Villa, where they're 11th position. The same points, 31-31. If not, be Chelsea now they're -2. Aston Villa they're -8. As we lose this match now, we're supposed to go to 11th position or 12th position. So as it stands, with this coach here, Chelsea will not move more than that 3rd position. But if peradventure as it stands now, say Chelsea now say decide this night they won't sack the coach. What the next 2-3 matches of Chelsea? Chelsea go run come up for that particular position. They go enter top 7. And that top 7, you're securing your Conference League or Europa League. But presently now, as we tell now, if we continue with this coach, we will give them time. We're on a rebuilding process. Now we will rebuild until we go enter the relegation zone.
So I want to ask you about the players now, because everything when most people they talk about now the coach. So these players where Chelsea get, we they talk say all these guys, even if you say the coach bad, well, them no fit reason together and say, oh boy, Alpha, no be every day we no go to play well, or no be every day we go to play anyhow because of maybe waiting coach tell us. Make we put our head together and win game. only these players, they no fit reason, put their head together, play very well, play performance wey go the fans go enjoy, come win match.
Now, if we come for that particular one, now the players, one thing we get to know first, in that dressing room, from where the players stay, how many cabal are there inside that dressing room? Some of them, they play for the coach. Some of them, they play for the cabal when they get. Now, for them to call themselves to order, say, not be every time we go to lose, or not be every time we go to draw, more go play to win. Now, the cabal, when they strong pass the ones where they play for the coach. Now, if they bring out their mind, say they won't play, make it be say they win match, you are giving a credit to the coach, which some of them don't want the coach to take that credit. Because the more they give the coach credit, now the more the owner of the team will say, will give more time for the coach, say he go fit perform.
So, Oga Hope, if you agree with me, many players for this Chelsea now, they play me the sack the coach.
And I tell you, 100% of most of the players are playing 100% for the coach to go, because the coach don't get anything to offer to those players. If you get anything to offer to those players, make him showcase them. Me and you there, they watch and we don't see them. Waiting with the team when we say they showcase, we're going to make the players play for them. As a love of say, this is our coach. The only credit for that coach today, we say, for his CV, say he don't increase, say he don't coach team like Chelsea. Apart from that, he has nothing to offer.
So, but you don't think, say, it is a little bit unprofessional from the player side, say them now, because you know, say sometimes the players also, they need to play for the fans. They need to play for the badge, where they for front of their chest, where they wear, where like some of them they go score, they go kiss the badge. You understand? Them too supposed to be more professional. Now, how you see that matter?
The more professional way they talk now, for them to play for the fans. Now, be that one where we say they see the hold on the ball, where we say they not knock them 5-0, 10-0. Now, waiting that they play to make sure say the fans see gets more confidence for where they take. If now where we say they won't totally fall that my hand, the whole players for pitch go lose guard. Before the end of 90 minutes, you go see for Chelsea back of net 10-0, 5-0, and so on and so forth. The players are playing to hold on to their own self and for the fans. But for the fans to not say, the fault is not from them. My guy, I'm not going to get business when the business I get. I employ you for my business. And my business, they go down. I spend more than 700 million invest for my business. And my business, they go down. They tell me because of money when I want to pay the coach, I ain't going to make my business go down. Guy, it's better the man to go for my business to stand. That is the only thing there. So the best thing there, the coach should go. The man will now watch, say, the next coach will come, whether the players will continue that, or they go improve their game, or they will sit there where they take. Guy, in everything, and the coach. I don't get anything to offer again, and the coach.
So Borussia Dortmund and Chelsea now, we know say that at one time, we still there for ground, we still tie rapper. You think, say, Chelsea go fit qualify from that fixtures come out?
If, as it stands now, only one goal to face it to 9 day, only one goal. We can still turn around things in Stamford Bridge.
No away goal, no away goal.
No away goals again. We can still turn things around. Because Chelsea players now, as it stands, that is where they need to play for themselves. As a pride. And also as the pride of London. Now, that name should get into their score. Say, if we come up for this Champions League, we will not get anything to contest again. And also the players make the carry for mind, say, if they come up for that Champions League, 1, they're not there top 4. 2, they're not there top 7, top 6, they're not there. So what thing give them the morale of the money when they sign them, say, we can't sign for Chelsea because Chelsea, they always qualify for Champions League every blessed season. Now, you can't lose that Dortmund match. Now you can't find yourself.
So what will be your score prediction for the game?
For Dortmund match, as it stands, my prediction is Chelsea to beat Dortmund 2-0.
All right, now, go. Thank you for your time. People, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.